So now we'll be starting with nomenclature. So nomenclature is basically a system to devise names for certain compounds. Now nomenclature, that is a system of naming, can be divided into three parts. So there can be three names for a certain compound. The first one being the common name. So a compound can have a common name or it can have a derived name, or the compound can be named according to the IUPAC system, that is the IUPAC system. So three names a compound can have. Now let us begin with the common names. So if you look at the common names, now common names are also known as trivial names. And what are these? They are based on the source of origin. So common names are, firstly, we have to remember that they are based on source of origin. Now let us look at a few examples. So we'll be doing the structure along with their source, and then we will give them common names. Okay, so suppose we have CH4. So the source of CH4 is marshy area, and therefore the common name is marsh gas. Secondly, if we have CH3OH, then the source of CH3OH is distillation of wood, and the common name is wood spirit. Third one, if we have HCOOH present, so here this is obtained from formica, which is the red ant, and the common name is formic acid. Next, if we have CH3COOH, then the source is acetum, that is vinegar, commonly called vinegar, and therefore the common name is acetic acid. Next, if we have CH3, CH, COOH, and a side chain with CH as OH, then the source is milk and the common name is lactic acid. Milk being lactose. If the structure is C3H7 COOH, then the source is butter and the common name thus becomes butyric acid. If the structure is COOH, CH2, CH, OH, COOH, the source is apple and the common name is malic acid. If the structure is COOH, CH, OH, the source is tamarind and the common name becomes tartaric acid. Okay. If the structure lastly is COOH, Then we have CH2, CH, OH. Then we have CH2COOH. So the source is citrus fruit, and the common name is citric acid. Okay, so this is how we decide on the common names. Now, next, if suppose that we have R connected to a group G, so here R is our hydrocarbon. So this is our hydrocarbon, and this G over here represents our functional group. Fine. So now we'll be doing the common names, that is of the functional group.